All right, we are live. AMC is popping off right now. AMC is popping off. I'm just getting some charts set up. I wasn't even going to stream today. I still haven't made my first regular video. But we're going for it anyway. Why the hell not? Let's get people in here. Let's start talking. If you got any questions, let me know. If you want to look at some other stuff, let me know. I want to focus on AMC though. Let me just get this to a cleaner chart. Yeah, it's a little nicer. We are following down that trend line, and we want to get back above that. Oh, this is Churchill. Just kidding. Let me go to... Let me get out of looking to buy. Let me go to my... Nope, that's not it. I do not short the market. That was something I got from Charlie over at Zip Trader. All right. So it looks like we went to about 845, and people showed some paper hands, wanted to get out a little bit. That is over my cost basis, but I did not sell any shares. I did not sell any shares. Do you if you want, but if you want to be part of the movement, I saw Trey was saying that Fidelity Alpha Pro Trader or something like that gave this a price target of 636 when we get the squeeze, when we get the gamma squeeze. The gamma squeeze goes on call options. All right. Just making sure all my stuff is up. We are down about 40 cents from where we just were, but that's okay. We are holding strong. I have my sell limit at, I can only do 100 for whatever reason on Ameritrade, but I'm trying to set it higher, and hopefully as we move higher, I can get that up to about 600 to 1,000, because I want to get a lot of money off of this at the end. I want to not only be part of the movement, but I want to get a good amount of change from this. I have 1,200 shares at 813. We went up to 848. I didn't shave anything off. Diamond hands. This isn't about being weak. This is about holding strong. All right. So let's keep moving. We're seeing a little bit of weakness right now. I don't like it. We could bring up, it seems like everybody seems to be very interested in watching Webull all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and pull Webull up. Okay. So let's take a look at what our buy walls are. I don't even know what all this is. You can see that I've just been looking around. Oh, Bitcoin. All right. Looks like we're holding strong. They're fighting it. We got some walls. I don't know why I'd be selling here, but you probably are, doing what you got to do. But I'm not selling until triple digits. If you're not waiting for triple digits, then, there's plenty of other stocks to look at. AMC, diamond hands. Oh, look at that. Atom Finance offering a discount to college students. Let me pull up. God, I got so many screens around me. Let me pull up. Let's see. Let me pull up Momo in a second. Okay. Squeeze Imminent. Let me just edit something real quick. All right. Just want to copy some stuff. Kind of jumped into this quick. All right. I'm slowly but surely getting all my links up. But let's see. Let me get AMC up also on my Thinkorswim. AMC. So I could take a look at the level 2s. All right. Wow, we're passing all the lines that I drew like 3 weeks ago. Oh, I wish I didn't have to go up that high. Ooh, I had a line from 20 to 17. We really want to get back to that line. All right. Wish you could see what I was doing right now, but I don't want to switch screens right now as my internet connection is not great. Let's go back. Get my links up. I'm just putting my Webull link on the bottom just in case you want some free stocks. It seems to be what everybody does. So I'm doing it too. And I got one for Gemini if you're into crypto as well. I'll be putting up more as I go on, but it just seems like every day there's just more reasons to live stream. Okay. All right. I'll just save that for now. All right. Oh, looks like we're banging back a little bit. We're going to go ahead and put a line right there. Let's go ahead and put a horizontal line right there. It's not really matching up. It's matching up a little bit. Top of this red, bottom of this where this sell ended. All right, so let's just put a line right here just so that we know that we don't want to be going backwards today. Not today. If we can keep this over 650 and 7 by Friday, we're going to be looking real good as far as the call options. Now, let me just bring up a few things. I really can't look at price targets anywhere because analysts and everybody is trying to convince everybody to get out because they're all part of the same game as the hedge funds. So this is all going to be between us. Let's see. I'm going to see if there's anything on the Momo indicator. Come on, buddy. All right. Is AMC in here? Right there. Let's go mess with volume again. Oh, there's AMC right there, 77 million. This SYPR I was looking at, I almost bought it like 6 or 7, but I wanted to watch. Now it's back in the 5s. Did I just buy something? I'm not sure. Nope, that's Fast Market Live. Come on, we are above my cost right now. We are above my cost. We need to keep going. I'm holding because I'm not going to sell this for pennies. I'm not going to sell this for pennies. Looks like my HCMC buy might go through. I'll get another 200,000 of those. Okay. If anybody's there, let me know. If not, that's okay as well. Let's see. All right. Gonna have a little bit of lagging right now. AMC should be, it's right there, but it should be way higher. And we want to see AMC over here. Just popping, popping, popping. AACG is coming back. Oh, that's nice. That's got nothing to do with any of y'all, but I like that. We're seeing some strength. My account is rocking right now. Still down overall because of the meme stocks, but I'm holding with diamond hands. I have a 200,000 share buy on HCMC. That's that lottery ticket play. We can always talk about that. If you have any questions, let me know. Trades has a lot of videos on it. All of a sudden, after he did one, then 100 others ones came out. So you can find information on HCMC and their lawsuit. Every time I'm trying to make a video, something crazy happens in the market, and I either live stream or just forget the thing altogether and just trade, because that's what we're here to do anyway. Trading is the reason I'm even on this thing. So, that's interesting. Let's take a look at Wall Street Bets. Joined daily discussion. GME mega thread. We don't want to look at that because we want to focus on AMC today. GME is sitting around 48, and that's cool. But GME, I feel like it seems like AMC is taking over for GME. AMC is taking over for GME. So let me just do something over here real quick. I want to make sure that people know that I am going online. GME
yeah, okay, put that on.
Looks like we got a lot of lagging over there. All right. I don't want you to stare at that while I'm figuring some things out, so I'm just going to move that over. Like I said, any questions, let me know. Where am I right now? I lost my live stream area. All right, we are going live. Let's see. What am I missing here? 834 looking good. I'm just trying to get back to my studio. Having some internet issues, but AMC's holding strong. We're at 831 right now. My stream health is weak, and that's why I'm having some problems, but that's okay. No concurrent viewers right now. Not a big deal. I would be doing this regardless. I'm just live streaming while I'm doing it, but that's okay. We're coming back to the line. We need to break this line. Break it, break it, break it. Let me pull up stock twits on the right. Just in a day, options for call increased from 110,000 to 250,000 when we keep the price above $8.01, more than double. You know what this means, gamma squeeze. This itself will be a huge boost on the price. It can be a trigger for short squeeze. And what is this gentleman saying? Lucid is bleeding. Call the hospital. Yeah, Lucid's at 32. I only have 25 shares left. I'm barely up, but I'm probably going to hold that. I might set a stop loss. I don't know. It looks like that, people aren't as hyped about it as they were before, and they're all selling off. We want to see AMC not in a top gainer right now. All right. Ooh, we are killing it. Oh, if we can get this thing to 9 or 10. Oh, my God. Killing it. We're killing it. We're killing it right now. I'm putting in some buys. Not on AMC. I already have enough. There's some other things that are showing some weakness that I'm getting some buys on. Average down on HCMC. And hold up. Come on, we need to get above that 0.236. Look, it's just sitting right there. We need to get above that. So some computers auto selling that. We really need better internet right now. Let's see. I'm on the better one. So hopefully we can, maybe if I close some stuff. I got a few computers on. I guess I don't need my outside cameras. I'm just going to turn that off. Actually, they're on a different network. Wonder what the rules of streaming other YouTubers are. I'm not even sure. There's a couple people that are talking too that I'd like to. I might even listen to them while I'm talking. I like to get all the information. AMC 10 plus. Some of you are already saying this. I wish I bought more. AMC to the moon. Yes or no? Actually, you know what? Let me just pull up StockTwits. That thing is fun. StockTwits. AACG. I don't even know if I'm in that anymore. All right, watch lists. How do I get this thing moving? Yeah, I want the whole watch list. Filter by original posts. Share your ideas. Blah, 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 blah. This usually has something for me to... Yeah, I don't want to... I want to look at the whole watch list. Or at least just AMC. You know what? That's fine. We could leave it on AMC. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Let's get that in real time. Let's get that in real time. Beautiful. Okay. Now let me... Still learning everything about this. And I'm still trying to figure out all the ins and outs of YouTube. I would care more, but I focus more on learning about the market. All right, VG acquisitions, VGAC up 5.3% on the day. Doesn't matter because I sold out of my position last week because they were sitting around too long. I'm gonna go ahead and tweet this out, even though my Twitter is like 6 minutes old. Where are you, Twitter? God, let's see. Not a lot of people following me. It's not a big deal. Night Trader links. Ooh, I have a Twitch that I never messed with. Definitely going to get into that. Where's my Twitter link? I could probably just click it off of my freaking page. Tell you the truth. Still live streaming, no questions. Oh, Josh Jonas, what up, brother? Good to see you, Josh Jonas. Josh Jonas, one of the originals. If we ever make it big one day, I'll be able to call him out and be like, that's the man that was there in the beginning. AMC bleeding a little bit, but nothing crazy. Our high of the day, we're still pretty close. We're still, RSI's going back up. MACD turning a little bit to the downside. TTM squeeze seems to be stagnant, but still moving on the upside. Negative volume going up. Positive volume is holding strong. Let me get... I wish StockTwits would... I wish it would do like it does over here in real time, but I can't get real time on my... So why is this... I don't... This should be going real time. BRN up 3%, but not what we're talking about. Not bad. All right, so all of my dogs are coming back. I'm going to be dumping off pretty much everything except for AMC, HCMC, CCIV, GME, NOK, BB. Viru is bomb. Triteris, I still think can go somewhere. SFTW, SCYX, NSPR. If you have any questions, green for the day, so that's good so far. I think we can make it to 9 at least, as long as we all diamond hands, my man. All right. Josh Jonas. Good man, good man. All right. Buy all the dips, my long-term bull apes. Oh, yeah. So this is... Yeah, I don't want to pause this. So I don't know how to make this. My computer is sucking. I'm telling you, as soon as I live stream, all the different devices around me are taking a crap. See, like, well, look at this. All right. So copy that. Twitter is just lagging. I can't get nothing to work. Okay. Let me get into my Night Trader profile. Night Trader. We are live. Sorry guys, I'm just tweeting out that I'm doing a video right now. And we'll see what happens. I don't really have anybody following me, so it's not a big deal, but I'm just trying to get into the what do you call it? The way things move. All right. No questions yet. We still got Josh Jonas, who's the man. That's all I need. If you want to leave anybody else, that's fine. As long as I got Josh Jonas, I'm good. Let's see. Any questions, let me know. I got everything in the world up right now. Dow rolling high. SYPR down into the 4.9s. Thank God I didn't get into that as a momentum play. Watch your asses on momentum plays. They are a pain. Let's see. Still holding with diamond hands. Damn hedge ladder's attacking me. Tell me about it, brother. We'd all be millionaires right now if they didn't mess our game up. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and run a... GME coming up too. So GameStop's not playing. Price of AMC is above 8. Oh my God, I've had that stock alert set for weeks. And finally it matters. It finally matters. Oh yeah, baby. I'm not setting no stop. Don't set a stop loss. Don't anything. Let this thing run. Do not shave off. I'm telling you, the profits will be way better later. And, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but do you if you want to do you, whatever. I'm trying to get a house payment off of this one stock. I don't mean no monthly mortgage either. I mean a down payment. Daddy needs a new house. We are at 834 right now. I didn't think that we would see this so quick. This is awesome. Prices are a little bit different across TradingView. Ooh, what the hell? Okay. Across TradingView, Webull, Ameritrade. Ameritrade and Webull are the only two that I'm on right now. I do have a 401k on Fidelity. I actually wanted to pull up. I was watching Trey yesterday. He said something about Alpha Pro Trader. I wrote it down because I write down a lot of stuff that I see. Fidelity Alpha Pro Trader. I'm going to look that up real quick just to see exactly what he's talking about. I would have done it yesterday, but I was exhausted. API stocks. Active Trader Pro. Okay, whatever. I'm sure this is expensive, but let's see. I know he's hopefully making that YouTube money. I don't know if he's been on long enough, but probably. I know you need like, I don't know, thousands of hours and something, but I'm sure he's got all that stuff already. Alpha Trader Pro Next Generation. I just want to take a look and see what he was saying. He was saying that we can see 636. That was saying $636 off of AMC. Could you imagine getting $636 a share? Oh my God. Everything is slow as hell right now. I am sorry about that, guys. I am trying to... I mean, I have the highest package you could get. I called. I got a secondary router. I can go directly into the router. It doesn't help. What is this? I'm getting emails everywhere. Get Upside. Yo, that is a great app if you want to get money back for gas. We're going to talk about that at a later day. All that really matters is AMC every day. All that really matters is AMC every day. Oh, well, we lost Josh, but that's okay. He's the man. I'm sure maybe he'll find his way back to us. I'm sure there's a good amount of live streaming going on right now. Alpha Pro Trader. This is some sort of guide. I don't want the guide. Fidelity Alpha Trader Pro. How do I get it? That's a document. Trade the way you want. I really want to see this thing. I just keep getting PDFs. I guess I'll just have to look into that later because we got too much going on right now. All right, so let me get to a clean chart. That's clean enough. So we're getting, it's not really I'm not going to call it a gentleman we talk about often, references a president when there's a W in there. I'm not going to do that. I've heard a couple other YouTubers do that. I just don't like it. Don't feel comfortable copying people. Other people, you know, they could do what they do. I got nothing bad to say about anybody as long as we're all making money. We are trying to push through this 0.236, which I don't know when the hell I drew it. I did this, a long time ago. Whenever it was. It's usually about where I start. Yeah, so looks like I drew that on the 22nd. So not that long ago. A couple days. Yeah, 22nd. Okay, that's fine. It might come into play. I don't erase these until we're like way out of the woods. Looks like I don't remember drawing this. This must have been a top. I don't know what this is from, but it looks like it respected it. Oh, that might have been. I might have drew that after the fall. I don't remember because there's just so much going on. It is a hectic day. Oh my God. Let me get my Thinkorswim up. Oh, Touch ID this, Face ID that. Level 2's coming up. I don't know what you guys want to watch. I'm just going to be talking about AMC. If you have any questions, let me know. I really would like to I have to get more videos out there because I really want more viewers watching this stuff. That being said, not a big deal. Still getting practice, still getting more comfortable around the mic. Damn, green everywhere. Let me pull up Weeble. Let's look at the markets overall. Yeah, green everywhere. Green everywhere. Except for over here. Sorry, guys. Boom. Oh, the FTSE. So Europe, Dow Jones, S&P. That's what we're worried about. Up, up, up. Yeah, looking good. SYPR still on the top gainer. SNDL. Where is AMC? Should be there. New high, nope. Near high, nope. Hot stocks. Seriously? That's okay though. It's just some things I was looking at. GameStop coming up. AYRO. I'm sure these are all familiar names. I don't know why I'm looking for AMC right now. It should be right there. Oh, it is right there. I'm stupid. See, I'm so hyped I can't see what's in front of my face. All right, we broke this line that I drew. I drew this line yesterday, I think. Because I don't remember drawing anything today. Unless, you know what? That's not a drawn line. So I do have a position, a small position over on Weeble. It's just 60 shares at 881, obviously. I don't know what was happening. I got all my shares on Ameritrade, but I guess I wanted to grab some. I was so into AMC that I just grabbed another 60. So you can see right there, clear as day. But it doesn't matter. I want it. I'll tell you where I'm selling. I don't think you can find it on the chart. It would take me probably a month to get to the point, to get to the number that I want to sell at. Nope. 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 Get your shit back here. Nope. Somewhere between here and here. That's where I'm selling. Somewhere between here and here. Call me stupid. Call me an optimist. Call me whatever you want. I don't really care. Tell you the truth. But that's where I'm selling. So if it don't make it there, then I guess I'm like a freaking AMC holder for life. I'll start watching more movies. Maybe I can, use my shares to get a discount. I know that we're all going to be going to the movies soon enough. And if you think that AMC isn't going to be remembered forever after this, then you are out of your mind. We are lagging like crazy. And that sucks, but it's okay. I don't know how to fix that, unfortunately. Let me just take a look at a few other things. Any questions, let me know. But we are Staring at AMC. I want this out of the way. Alpha Trader Pro. I'll just have to look into that somewhere else. I don't know. I'll have to look at that somewhere else. So buy wall 850. It looks like somebody's dumping off shares. I hate you. Listen, I'm not gonna hide my opinions. If you're selling AMC, man, screw yourself. All right, screw yourself. I don't care if I you know, what do you call it? If I make it so that you don't like me, I don't care. I don't know you. I don't know you and I don't care. This is money. If you're selling right now and I'm into it, then you know it's me versus you. You're taking my money. So, oh well. You don't subscribe? Oh well. Oh well. Don't be an AMC if you're shaving. Honestly, just roll. You know what? Here's a good point to sell. Sell out and let the rest of us make this ride because you might as well just join a hedge fund. And my girl even said, she's like, stop talking negative. Don't alienate people. I was like, you know what? Those aren't my people. If you're selling AMC, then you're not my people because you should have got out a long time ago. If you were holding to make some money and you're trying to get back and you got a mortgage going or something like that, all right, fine. People are in different situations. I'm not going to judge you. But if you're a regular dude or a woman and the money don't matter and it ain't really the hugest thing and you're pretty close and you're just shaving off for $20 here and $30 there, get the hell out of here. You can leave the market altogether, but leave AMC alone. You got all these. Plenty of plays. Get into Bitcoin too. That's going to be $100,000 in a year. Maybe less. I would like it to see it go back to the teens so I can grab more. I sold way too much for too cheap last year. Almost all of it. Thank God I'm mining right now and I still feel like I'm in the game. I'm surprised that I even have the energy to do this right now. Would be nice if we had some viewers. Oh, check out ZOM. Samuel Venezuela, my man. Let's see, ZOM. Are you still here, Samuel? Man, I got a lot to learn about. Oh, there he is. I got a lot to learn about. Oh, my man. It looks like it's stair-stepping. The problem with stair-stepping is that a lot of times they'll take the elevator down. Okay. Looks like we went crazy in the... Is this pre-market or after hours? What time? I can't see a time. There we go, 9:30. So this must have been pre-market. Oh, my goodness. This reminds me of that SYPR that we just looked at. I know ZOM, a lot of people are holding. Here's your 200 right here. 200's a great indicator. So it looks like it's sitting on the 200. Hopefully we'll get a bounce. We came, crashed below the 200, try to get back. It's like a magnet. It's always trying to hold to that 200. And look, what is that, VWAP? Went to VWAP, similar thing, rode VWAP, came up, blasted over the 200. Now we're sitting on the 9. I think the 9 is what I got from Trey. 15 I got from Charlie. It's really just what you depend. So check out ZOM. Zemetica. Do we have any news? There's a buy-side imbalance like crazy on this. This is going to go up. Not a financial advice. What's a ladder? I never saw this. Oh, okay. Just shows you where they're... That's pretty cool. Oh, I've been looking for something like that. I want that for Ameritrade. It's probably on there. I'll look. Yeah, buy. Current 213, so they blasted past the target. Yeah. Let's take a look. Was this today? This was, so here's the 24th. That's today. Blasted up in the pre-market. I hate a parabolic move in the pre-market because then it just gives it back. Going sideways now. Let's see. I want to look at this. I know they're all on Webull because it's pretty colors and all that, and that's what like YouTubers do, but I don't know, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and back out of Webull real quick. Pull this up on, let me get a third. I'm going to pull this up on my looking to buys. Just give me a moment. Damn, YouTube, come on my internet. Give me better internet. I pay enough. Damn, I pay enough. HCMC, I still have a buy for 200,000 at 0.0027. Not a recommendation, but that is my lottery ticket play. I have a few grand in there right now. I'm really hoping that they... we got some news. United Airlines, Royal Caribbean lead travel and leisure stocks higher today. So, my stream is healthy. There we go. Did you see NVOS? It was up like 8:30 at pre-market. I did not see NVOS. I got to be honest, bro. I was looking at AMC. Like, as soon as AMC was banging, that was like, I tried to get into a few momentum. I was looking at some momentum plays this morning, but like NVOS isn't on my radar. Is this another banger that you're giving me? Because Josh Jonas gets them good picks. Let me go into the look into the buy. Which one is this? This is NVOS. Let me put ZOM and NVOS in here. ZOM. NVOS. Oh, okay. NVOS. All right. Novos. Oh my God. Yeah, that's never good. Wait, what? Where is it? That's it? That's all I get? So either I'm in a computer problem or they just opened today. Is this an IPO? Is this the first time ever? Did you see it was up like 830%? I don't see, who is this? Novo Integrated Sciences? NVOS. I don't know who that is. Did they just IPO? It's not even coming up there. What's this D? I guess that means delayed usually. I hate looking at delayed. AMC, come on, keep your strength. Looks like it's going sideways now. I don't know. NVOS. Let's take a look at ZOM though for Samuel. Okay. Inside our own 6.8%. Let's see. Shares outstanding. Having a nice rise today. Blah, blah, blah. Low volume. Tough questions Congress needs to ask. None of this has to do. Increase previously announced bought deal. Okay. Let's just go to TickBranks. Check out ZOM for you. Someone's beeping outside and they need to shut the hell up. I'm trying to stream. All right, what do we got? Ooh, 120 on the downside, but what does Charlie call them? Monkey analysts? I think I paid for his course too. It was pretty cool, but it wasn't doing complete, so it would really get annoying that after I'd watch a video, it wouldn't show as complete. 7 days to earnings call after hour market's not confirmed. What are you talking about? That might be, I guess that's about ZOM. 211 real time. Let's see what the... All right, so we're over 5, which is good. Very positive. Moderate buy. Positive technicals. Can it show me any technicals? Let's see. Take a look at the chart. I don't know anything about Novos. I just saw it shot up. Yeah, I don't know. I think it might have been an IPO or something because I didn't see any history on it. Like, it just started here. Like, it didn't exist. Yeah. I mean, it opened at 7. There's no history on that. I don't know what the hell it is. Novo Integrated Sciences, Inc. Oh, no. Come on, guys. AMC? No. Don't do it. Don't do it, AMC. Oh, you know what I'm going to have to do. Throw on the linear. Just always gives you a good idea what's happening. Oh, yeah. Let me get rid of that. I realized what that was. It was Pearson's R. And... oh, we fell out of the channel. Oh, man. We don't want to fall out of these channels. But it's okay. It's still early. People are selling off from over here. I got to be honest. For like 2 seconds, I thought about it. But no. No, I'm diamond handing this. You can't be shaky. See, like, we went up to, I was in the profit, and now we're below where I was, and that's okay. That's okay. Plenty of stocks to make more money on. BNGO blasted up another $1. So, pull your money from other plays, put it into AMC. AMC is going to gamma squeeze in the next few months. By May. But we need to keep it over 8. I mean, we need to keep it over 8. Like, right? I guess I got it about 805. I mean, I really do not go below there. 1, 2, I wouldn't call it a... I almost said it. I'm not going to use his terms. I'm not going to use Trey's terms. I know some other people do, but that's okay. They have a little bit more experience than me. They've been doing things a little bit longer than me, but I'm sure maybe later down the road I'll start emulating other people, but until then I'm just me. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about it either, my man. I'll look at it real quick. I'll like Google it. Maybe I can put it in here and see if anything. Novo ship. I don't know what the hell any of this is. This is people. NVOS stock. It's got to be an IPO. It's got to be an IPO. Novos Integrated Science soars 900% after NASDAQ move. 5 things to know about. Oh, so this just came out. Soars over 900%. I have no idea. The uplist. Oh, so this was OTC and all of a sudden it's on the NASDAQ. Who picked it up? Yeah, to the NASDAQ. Okay. For the company to have more visibility for mention of penny stocks. Picked up steam on Twitter. More than 3 million shares traded hands at the first 15 minutes. Climbed as high as 42 in the pre-market after closing at 399. Oh, if you were holding that. Oh, my God. So, yeah, it looks like it's been around. Wow. Novo director picked up more than 9,000 shares earlier this week at 431. Oh, my God. So, if he busted out at 42, then he's gold. Looks like it's only saying 30 here. I do have extended hours on. I don't know. All I see is just some random red bars. It looks like it's supposed to turn. Wow. That must have been painful if you were buying, if you bought right there on the dip and then we're like, yeah. That always sucks. Let's see. ZOM still. ZOM still looking healthy. We got a good jump in the pre-market. Oh no, this was after hours. So this was the pre-market. 24th, yeah. This just it just makes me not have to follow and make the channels all myself. Like, it just gives me a good idea. So the lazy man's channel is the linear regression. Let me get the Pearsons off there. What? There's still 2? All right, bang back. All right, there we go. Pearson's R is unnecessary. I'm not doing math. Okay. It's in a downward trend. I don't know much about it, but I keep hearing about it. So, all right, let me chart this real quick for you. I'm going to have to get everything off of here. Let me go to a clean chart. Clean chart. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Stream is healthy, people. Oh, yeah. Just get a shout out from anybody in here. Oh, if you're watching right now, do me a favor. Hit the like button. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed with the bell. I would really appreciate it, guys. All right, so ZOM. I could have swore that oops. Let's get rid of that. What is that? Garbage. What's going on here? All right. AMC. This is my heavy chart. Bang back. This is my light chart. So I don't need a heavy chart here. And let me go to ZOM. Okay. Real quick. AMC. Just hold over 8, man. Hold over 8. 8.13 would be nicer, but hold over 8. All right. A couple of things are blasting. I really would like to see AACG come up to 633. Okay, here's the Medica on the 1 minute. Is this yesterday's drop? Here's yesterday's drop. Ooh, it's been just going up and up and up. It looks like it just came back to where it was before the drop. Do we have any multiple touches? This looks like kind of a area of resistance. I'm just going to put it right there. And we know that, let's see. Did it ride it? Up, it rode it. I didn't even see that part. And you could see there. Yeah, I mean, these things are very, it's crazy. You could tell that, like, I wouldn't be surprised if we went to Wall Street, it was all robots. Because that's what they use. Like, do they even do their Series 7? Or is it like, do they just... Hold on. Let me get this closer. So we're going to get some points just to make sure that we're in the right area. I really like to take all of my indicators off when I'm drawing a line. It just makes it easier. Get out of my way. Did we touch it? Almost touched it. So I'm just going to get right there. We'll let it hug that. Looks like it's hugging that line on the way up. Isn't that weird? It's weird how that happens. Let's get another top on there. Ooh, triangle formation. Only one way to go when it gets to the end of these. Up or down. 2 ways to go, I guess. Let's see. Do we have any more touches? I went all the way down to the low. I might have been able to do something from here to here. It's just a weird angle. I like starting further away. Did you see Novos? Could you take a look at APDM once you're done with Zoom if you got the time? I got plenty of time, Josh. I will look at whatever you want, my man. Oh, what happened? What did I just buy? I just bought something. I just bought 200,000 HCMC. I now have 1 million shares of HCMC. So if it goes to $1, I'm a millionaire. Oh, yeah. Let's just get 10 cents. I'll be 100,000 here. I'm good with that. All right. It came down and picked up my buy and then went back to 28. That's cool. Do not go down. What's my average? Brought my average down a little bit. All right, great. I don't want to talk about that right now. Like I said, that's a lottery play. Josh, look into HCMC. There's plenty of people that did videos on it. I haven't done one yet, but look into HCMC, man. It is 0.0028 right now of a penny. It's worth looking into just to grab some, just in case. Not financial advice, but if it blows up, it blows up. Only put in what you can afford to lose, because if it goes the wrong way, it's done. But if they get that, if they get any type of settlement, then people are coming in. And I'll look. I saw there was some heavy hitters buying into that. And the volume is insane. Every day it's the highest volume on my watch list. Every single day. Like even, I bet if we go to, all right, so ZOM. Just to get back to Samuel. Looks like it's following the bottom trend. Stop dead in the tracks. Okay, there we go. Okay, still good. I don't know. It looks like it's trying to come back to VWAP. If we get under here, we're going to have to break back over. I do see that a lot. Now, normally you'll see this go over and ride this trend line up. Sometimes you'll see this go over, get rejected, and go down. Sometimes you'll see it go over, come down, come back, and then ride this one down. Sometimes it'll ride this one up. From what I'm looking, volume is dead on this. RSI is turning around. I drew a line, looks like, from a later day. I'm going to go to that. Yeah. So if you're in right now, I don't know if you're trying to day trade this, if you're trying to, long this. I don't know what you're trying to do. But honestly, I would hold. I don't know. Let me pull it up in another area. ZOM. What's the float? Oh, that float's huge, man. That float's huge. The RSI has been way overextended for a long time. Specialty and generic. Oh, I like that. See, I don't know anything about this company. But I know a lot of other people are into it. Just from what I'm seeing, I would probably hold it. Oh, come on, man. AMC back down to the 7s. Of course. It's okay. We figured people would shave. They did the same thing the last 2 days. It's really not a big deal. Banging out my account a little bit, but what are you going to do? See, I bought so many freaking shares that every penny it moves is like $70. Oh, crap. I'm out of coffee. All right, I'm going to have to get more coffee. Let's see. Could you take a look at APDN? All right, let me do that. I'm going to leave this up just so that we can keep an eye on it. Because who asked? Samuel asked? Yeah, so I'm going to keep that up for Samuel. I'm going to bring it up for... Dow jumps 200 points, boosted by recovery plays. NASDAQ erases 1% in losses and turns positive from stock alerter. Someone made a comment. Okay, that's somewhere else. Not a big deal. Come on, HCMC. I want this to be the bottom. I want this to be the bottom of HCMC. We're not even going to bother with that, though. Zemetica looking pretty good on the channel. You don't want to go below here. You want to keep this rising. And then we want to get back above there. It's that simple. It's that simple. What was I going to look at? I know somebody asked me, was it Josh? All right, APDN. Is this one of your clutch trades plays? I was looking through there yesterday. There's some really interesting stuff in there. APDN looks like it took a crap. Just like when everybody else did. Why is it so weird? Oh, is this APDN? What is this? 977. Okay. Let's just put it in there. APDN. Applied DNA Sciences. I'm telling you, the genomic plays are just everywhere. This is looking strong. MACD. I don't know. Looks extended. We really kind of want to see your blues. What did I just do? You really want to see your blues down here when your little dot for a reversal starts. When we're up over, it could go, but as you can see, it never really goes that much further. So, Applied DNA Sciences. So what is this? This is APDN, right? Okay, let's take a look if we could find out any financials about it. Retail sales forecast to rise as much as 8% this year against pandemic comparable. News from Seeking Alpha. I need that crap to come up on my computer so you guys can see it so I don't have to read it. But whatever. I feel there's like less and less time every day to be prepared for things and just more and more time to jump in. Ooh, Triteris seeing a big bump up. Triteris got murdered yesterday back up to the 750s. Another play I was going to make a video about. I think I actually did, and it was a garbage video, so I didn't want to put it out there. I didn't want to sound like an ass. All right, so APDN, 13% insider owned. Institution owned, 10%. Not looking good on the numbers. Shares outstanding, so it looks like they did maybe a reverse split or something. February 12th, initiated Roth Capital buy, $24. Provide back to campus COVID-19 surveillance testing. Oh, that's big. So many testing. I'm telling you, the COVID testers are going to make all the money. Look at people that are doing COVID testing. Forget the vaccines. Look at the people. Ooh, excuse me. Look at the people that are doing the testing. CCIV getting wrecked. Should have dumped it off and then bought back in lower. Never try to hold your initial price. Make your profit. Get back in lower. Not financial advice, just common sense. Because we get so attached. We get attached. Oh, I don't want to get over 9. I don't want to buy over 7. I don't want to buy over 6. But what if it goes to 12, you sell it, and then it goes back to 7? You made money, and you're back into the play with more. I mean, basic stuff. All right, what do we got? I'm in a Snapchat with some friends that invest, and they've been calling that out and MXC for a short squeeze. Could you take a look at APDN? You talking about APDN for a short squeeze? Oh, God. Very possible. Very possible. Short ratio, not even, not bad at all. Target price, 1867. Yeah, looking good. I don't like these parabolic pops, but this one seemed to handle it pretty well for a while. What is this? This is a daily, so these are days. So pop, boom, 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 pop, boom, 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 pop, down again, pop, down again, pop, and then pop down to the 8. This might be a buying opportunity. If you want me to go into stuff, my man, I'll do whatever you want. If you want me to go to other places and look into this more heavy. But from what I'm seeing, this is looking real nice. This could definitely squeeze. Especially if you have a group. MXC, I don't know what that is. Let me put that on my look into buys. Did I already? All right, good. Let me look at MXC. I might make a possible short squeeze watch list too. I mean, that would only be smart, right? Oh, delayed. I hate that. Oh, and it's barcoding. As soon as it's barcoding, some people say that's when it's time to pop because that's when institutions are selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling back and forth to each other. But you said MXC. Did I go to the right one? This is MGC. But this is MXC, yeah. This is delayed. So this is old data. This is from 15 minutes ago. MXC. Is there any news? Oh, wow. That is an uptrend. That is a real nice. So 12.96, 14, and then back down. RSI is stagnant, so this is basically saying this is a fair price. 5% insider owned. No institutions into this. Oh my God, there's like no shares. Oh, it's a cannabis play. Okay. Cannabis has been getting wrecked. This says oil and energy. Medical cannabis company Cannabis. So I don't know. Well, then maybe it's not. I don't know what the hell this has to do with it. Sometimes though, there's this weird stuff. Maybe it's mentioned in there. I don't know. I need to see immediately. If it doesn't say exactly what the deal is, I'll go in and read when I'm about to invest in something. But if I'm on the cuff while we're trading, oh yeah, MXC. I mean, God. Hold on. I don't know what I just did. Let me get out of there. Dude. Yeah. Yeah. That can squeeze. That can squeeze with a little bit of people getting together. That can definitely squeeze. Honestly, I would jump in that if I wasn't, nursing my plays right now. AMC back over 8. I didn't even notice. That is what I want to focus on. But MXC, Josh, I mean, that thing, there's barely, you can buy the shares. If you have enough money, just buy the rest of the shares. Is anybody shorting this? Normally, the short interest would come up on this, I think, too. But I don't want to go to the 1900 places. Fintel, I short bar. Hold on, I have a list. So, Finbox, I borrow desk, TradeStation, highshortinterest.com, iborrowdesk.com, shortsqueeze.com, fintel.io. I mean, they all have different information. I actually rocked that Ortex that Trey had for a month, but I didn't like it. It was like a Bloomberg terminal in a way, but crappier. I didn't see the numbers didn't match up. He digs it, so I'm sure it's good. I didn't dig it, and I didn't want to pay for it, so I let it lapse and got rid of it. But I had it for a minute. I think it's even on my, let's see, Fintel. Is it even on here anymore? It might not be on here anymore. Ortex. I don't know. Maybe I took it off. I don't need it anyway, so it's just not. Family Trust tied Novo stock soars over 900% after move to NASDAQ. Yeah, that's pretty rocking. That's pretty rocking. AMC, baby. Yeah, MXC, just to reiterate, I'd look heavily into that for a short squeeze. There's no shares. There's no shares. And look at that. Just the second I said it, it happened. Not that I had anything to do with it, but that's cool. Yeah. That can squeeze, man. That can definitely squeeze. I know there's 1,000 places to find this, but I'm just going to look real quick because I don't want to spend too much time on anything that's not AMC just yet. But if Josh or Samuel have questions, I will answer them because they've been here since the beginning. They're my only two dudes that come every day. Or at least, I don't know if you were here yesterday, but you came 2 days ago, and I appreciate it, my man. Wow. That's I've never seen a rate that high. It could be that high. XTNT has released a news transcript earnings call. If you're into XTNT, that's penny stock, medical. 219 short volume ratio went the hell right down. None of this is open to me. That's a high rate. Last change. Short share. There's only 1,000 shares to short, man. Awesome. Thanks, Samuel. Yeah. ZOM looks like it's going to be good. MXC looks like it could squeeze 1,000 shares 2 hours ago. It's the 24th, right? Yeah. 1,000 shares. You can, that's all they could short. So honestly, I don't know if that's enough to even squeeze. Maybe. I just don't know. I'm telling you, I'm gonna check out that clutch trades because you guys come with a lot of cool stuff. I guess I'm up over a G. I don't know. Probably from my AMC coming back. Let's just not even worry about that. Doesn't matter. I wonder if you can see. What is this? Let's go to real time. Let's go to real time with Bill Maher. Well, I haven't seen that guy in a while. He used to be fun to watch. I got to go, but I'll be checking in for sure, homie. Thanks, Samuel. I appreciate it, brother. AMC. Your search doesn't have enough data. Really? AMC doesn't have enough data? Get out of here. Where is everything? There's usually a bunch of crap over here. Holdings, tokenized stock. What does that mean? Cryptocurrency. What? Okay. Am I on the right AMC? Oh, that's a crypto. All right, I went to the... What? Does my internet give out? Nope, my conditions are good. Valuation. Sorry, let me just look to the left and take a look at my portfolio real quick. I want to dump some of this crap off. I got way too much stuff, and it just makes me not be able to focus. I got into this bomb play Kronos a while back. I gotta go, but I'll be checking it. KNOS, because they were doing PPE. I got in at 7 cents. It's at 14 cents right now. And they what do they do? They were distributing PPE. They got, this is back, last year. So I was like, oh, COVID play, good stuff. And then they made I guess when they started pumping Doge, they made some sort of air purifier with a Dogecoin miner in it. I don't know. For whatever reason, I feel like Kronos, KNOS, that's KNOS. It's an OTC. It's delayed. It's $6.95 to trade on Ameritrade. $6.95 because it's an OTC cheapie. It's at 14 cents right now. I had thousands and thousands. I made a couple hundred and really not that much on a slight move. Got out of it. Kept 500 and now it's up 81%. So I'm just going to hold it because it really doesn't do anything for me to sell it. Like even up, I'm up how much? $32 and I only have $72 in the entire play. So it won't do anything for me to get rid of it. I'd rather just watch and see if something happens. All right. Don't miss an episode of blah. Is it that early? Oh, it's almost noon. It's almost noon over here on the East Coast. If you're on the West Coast, whatever. ADMP is up 6.5% on the day. ADMP, I've been saying ADMP is a bomb stock. Look at ADMP when you guys get a chance. They got a lot of good things going for them. They got the 2 for $99 EpiPens. They're working on a Narcan, that opioid overdose alternative. They got some COVID plays. ADMP, they're like $1.30 right now. I would definitely take a look at that. Not financial advice, but take a look at that. I don't really want to pay attention. I really want to focus on AMC today. I will do videos on that stuff at some point. I just haven't had the time. I'm telling you, I do this all day and then I'm just too exhausted to make a freaking video and then to edit it. And then there's like way more to YouTube than you think. Like I didn't think that shit through when I did it. I didn't realize that there's like a whole lot to set up. Like it really isn't like YouTubers. They're working. Like that's a job. I might as well be at work. It's as much setup. Now I got to figure out my affiliate links so you could actually make money because that's where your money is. I don't even know about monetize. They'll probably never monetize me because I curse. But you know what? Too bad. Oh, see, this I like. I like when they have this information. Share float, 0. Shares outstanding, 287 million. But we already know. This is our real-time chart. Oh, no, you're not. What is that? No, you're not. Why does that say 793 right there? What in the hell are you talking about? What, am I missing something? No. 809. Where's AMC? Yeah, 808 on Ameritrade. Let's pull up Weeble. Yeah. Oh, what did I look something else up? Let me go back. Yeah, that was from my man. Okay. AMC. All right, what's happening? So we got rejected. I hate that this is the opposite. So we got rejected right there. I never really use this to chart. I just don't. I know a lot of YouTubers do, but I just don't. I like TradingView because I started out in crypto and everybody in crypto was using that. I don't even know if Webull was around at that point. I know they didn't do crypto, so I didn't care about it. That's a 2020 thing that when I really got into stocks. Like I said, I did it a few years back, got burned on some pennies, stopped. And then 2017 got reinterested. 2016 really in Bitcoin. And then last year I was like, screw it, I'm going for stocks because I didn't know what was going on with the taxes, which I'm sure you guys know about. There is just green. So that makes me worried because normally we see a fade halfway through the day. So if you're up on anything right now, consider taking some sort of profit. Unless it's AMC, leave that alone. Anything else? See, I'm barely up. If you're not going to take what you want to take out of it, watch ASAP before it's too late. Michael Burry from Mcash. Like, I wonder what the deal is. Like, can I play other YouTubers? I don't know. I see other people do it, but I'm too new. I don't know if I can do that just yet. I saw the Meet Kevin when he was watching Dead Inside, and he said some stuff about Dead Inside, and then Dead Inside was like, "What are you talking about, bro?" He was saying, "Oh, you get your stock picks off of Reddit." Meet Kevin said it, and then Dead Inside's like, "That's my Reddit, bro." It was just kind of funny. Two guys I highly respect. When they have something to say about each other, it's just interesting. But I'm sure there's respect on both ends. They're both probably I know Meet Kevin's a millionaire, and Dead Inside's got to be at this point. So NASDAQ ADMP moves up more than 3%. New price $1.29. Okay. For whatever reason, I'm at $1.14, and it's showing that I'm a loss. That's why it's weird when you shave off. It's almost better to sell out. If you're on Ameritrade, I think they take your profit and apply it towards your price. I don't know. It just kind of whacks out the numbers. That's why I want to get a nice... I know Wallmine. Where are you, Wallmine? Wallmine. No, that's StockTwits. Wallmine does good for checking out your trades and like having you look back. But I want to get like a for real... Like I'm using a... I'm trying to use like an Excel spreadsheet right now. But... hold, dump, blah, 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 blah. I don't want you to see it because it's messy. I just started making it. There's a few out there. I mean, there's a lot of guys that have like their own ones. I'm good at Excel, so I just started my own. Damn, everything's green, but still not where I need it to be. Still not where I need it to be. XTNT up. VPDTDF. I actually saw the CEO do an interview on TraderTV.live or TraderLive.tv. I forgot. Like I said, I don't remember which one it is. But I bought it right after, and then it just crapped. I only bought 100 shares at like, I don't know, 20. Well, let's see. 100 shares at 32 cents. It was $32. So whatever. Burn it if you have to. I mean, I don't like losing a single penny, tell you the truth. All right, guys, I got to get some coffee. We only got 2 people watching right now. I do need to build more of a following. I do have Josh and Samuel, and I guess they're good for now. Someone just tried to call me. Lakeland. No thanks. Yeah, I'm good on that. Just checking my emails real quick. Let me go back to what we were focusing on since nobody's here answering any questions. Let me just take a look. I don't have any questions right now. So we're going to go back to AMC. Back to AMC. Edit a few things. Just adding some tags because I'm still not sure how all this stuff works. But I'll get there. I focus more on trading. I'll eventually learn how to be a YouTube content creator. But like, honestly, I feel like I've done way harder things. So there's just a learning curve that I'm still trying to figure out. CAVR, I think I got that from Alpha Status, Alpha Stocks. I forgot. Check them out. They're really good. It's two dudes. Pretty cool. They talk about health, wealth, and happiness, which is funny. That's like something that's part of I do positive affirmations. And then they had it on their station, and I honestly got a little bit pissed off because I wanted to almost incorporate it into my channel. And then they were doing it, so I had to kind of bang back because you don't want to rip anybody off. Yep, just getting texts. Don't worry about it. I don't know you. I got this awesome ass. I'm just going to throw this out there. If you don't like getting called from people you don't know or numbers you don't know, get a trap call. I don't think I can refer you. Maybe I can. I don't know. But I know that it's sick. It's $95 a year, and I don't even get them. Like, if it's a call that I don't know, like, it just silences it automatically. I don't even have to worry about it. And a lot of them just get discouraged because they call you, it goes back to some server that oh wait, looks like Josh Jonas. I think GBS is a good COVID play. They're doing a test that is supposed to provide results within minutes. I done a little more DD on them last night. Okay. Listen, I believe you. You seem to pick bangers, so ooh, low float. Not a lot of info. I actually have never seen a balance sheet on Finviz. So that's interesting. Income balance. That's interesting. Very cool. Maybe they just added that. I've never really seen it. It looks like... Okay. AMC, I'm keeping that up. Let's go to... I like tip ranks for a lot of stuff. GBS. GBS. I wish I had more money, man. I'd get into more of these plays. I mean, I'm making it, but I have to keep a 30% reserve, or else I don't feel comfortable for when the market's correct. I want to be able to get back in. 5 neutral, very positive. No recent analyst ratings. How to use Finviz stock market scan. Oh man, whatever, dude. I got way too many subscriptions on YouTube. I click the like button and the bell, or the subscribe and the bell, way too often. I mean, everybody's going on. Very positive. Pretty cool. I don't know. I need news. Excuse me. Enter sponsored research agreement with John Hopkins, Bloomberg School of Public Health. Oh, this is the saliva. Yeah, this is going to be a banger. You already know. Josh Jonas, you already know that GBS is going to be a banger. Not financial advice. It's going to be a banger. Hold. Oh, look at that. Hold. Media buzz coming down. Are there any hedge funds? No, nothing there. Volume is going down. Looks like a pretty good freaking price to get in for me. GBS. Let me just take a look. I don't want to ignore AMC. Hold over 8. I mean, I really want you to hold higher than that, but as long as we hold over 8, add it. All right, GBS. I just hope we don't see a... Oh, it's noon, so watch out for the sell-off. Those Wall Street douches like to sell off before lunch. I should have went to Wall Street, and then I would have been one of them douches, because I was up in New York and New Jersey for a while. I was just not into it. I wish I was more mature instead of being a delinquent. I definitely would have... I mean, it was right there. But it's okay. Because then you guys would be fighting against me, but I'd be going after you too. That's why they came back so hard. They were like, oh, you guys think you could make money? I probably would have the same attitude if I was them, but, you know, I'm not them. I'm us. That being said, being them probably ain't too bad. All right. GBS is on a downward trend, but it looks like it's coming up to support. There's your line. There's your line in the sand. Hold over there and you're good. I'm not really going to mess with this too much right now because I want to focus on AMC. If it was a momentum play and it was blasting up, I might grab it for a quick day trade, but this is probably a good long-termer. Yeah, this is a good long-termer. Let me just take a look at something real quick. Okay. What is this? TubeBuddy. Yeah, I don't even know. So much to this. Alright, whatever. Let me get out of this. Once again, we are streaming right now. Somebody else was streaming and they were kicking my ass with their amount of viewers, and I just want to know what the hell they're doing because, I mean, there's a lot of people streaming right now, so I won't be letting you know who I'm talking about, but I was like, what is this? Well, this dude's boring. He's not funny. And he just sits on a freaking one screen. I don't know. Doesn't look at other plays. But it's all good. I'm just jealous, really. I want your subscribers. Give them to me. You don't deserve them. I'll kick your freaking ass. No, I'm just kidding. All right. GBS still rocking and rolling, but taking up my screen. These... Ooh, I don't like that for Zemetica. Why is this so slow? Is this lagging? Like, this is a 1 minute chart. We've only been... I guess that makes sense. But see, we almost touched. I don't know if I drew that. Did I draw that beforehand? Yeah, I guess I did. So now they got to break through these. If it breaks over here and then breaks over here, it'll ride this up. If it doesn't break right here and rejects, it'll ride this down. I mean, that's just... Here's your VWAP. We should be seeing bangs off of that, but look at how low it went before under VWAP. It rode up, but now it's going down. I don't like that. Midline on the RSI, so you can't tell which way. That could turn at any second and just go back down to oversold. Whatever. Whatever. I want to... More, okay. Let's see. I'm just looking through some stuff right now. Boiler Trader, Stock Watches, Benzinga, Wall Street Bets, New Wave Trader, Zip Trader, Cryptos, Stock Rocks, Money Talks, Green Room, Trading Resources, Daily Trades, Wall Street Bible, Boiler Room Trading. I'm just in everything. Oh, Zip Trader free. I should probably get rid of that. I did, all transparency, I bought Charlie's course when he did the Black Friday thing last year. Very cool. Dude knows what he's talking about. Zip Trader. He's rich as hell. I don't really need to be helping him, but I will call you out I will call you out positively if I think you're awesome. I don't really have a lot of negative stuff to say. It's just doesn't really work. If you got nothing nice to say, then don't say it. Unless you're jealous of someone and you want their subscribers. But that's my right to think somebody is not interesting or not. But they still have my sub because I like to see what they're doing. It looks like we're flattening it out. AMC taking a bit of a... Oh, I got the wrong mouse. All right, I'm on the wrong computer. Now I'm back on the right computer. Nobody's outside trying to rob my house. BlackBerry and Nokia really need to do something because they're irritating the hell out of me. Like Nokia, you do an LTE on the freaking moon. Zemetica. I'm going to leave that up and we're going to go back. AMC selling off just like, I mean, this is the same thing every day. Although we are showing higher highs and higher lows every day. So I'm loving that. SBE. Oh, Switchback Energy. Possible day trade. Possibly. Switchback, I was like in a while ago. Damn, AMC getting cracked right now. AMC getting cracked. We went down past that line of support. Broke VWAP. Came back up. Hit the trend line. Broke right past it. But we are way oversold. 10. Way oversold. I don't see a turnaround. TTM squeeze is still to the downside. Green, though. We want these dark purples going up, though. So, thinking maybe after this sell-off, if we can break back over, we really want to stay over 8. I would prefer if we stayed over 8. Let's see what's moving right now. We had some halts. Who is this? Oh, GBS. I'm going to go back to AMC. I don't even really need that right now. 1 year target, 2. Screw you, man. Oh yeah, you can see all my buys. My two sells. And then I bought back in. Bought. Buy. 2 sells. Buy. Oh, what is this? At 510. I must have been, So I knew it was going down, so I sold the 50 and then bought them in 22 cents cheaper. That's funny. It's like within this, it was immediate. That might have been an accident. You know what? That was an accident, I think. Because what will happen is if you see a sell and then a quick buy for me, it means that I pressed the wrong button. And I still do that. Pay attention to what you're doing because it's actually a lot harder to screw up than it is in crypto. With crypto, you screw up and it's done. But yeah, I must have screwed up and just rebought them, which was good though because they came back cheaper. All right, I'm gonna go get some coffee for a second. Who's still here? I don't see anybody specifically right here, but Josh, Jonas, and Samuel, you guys are the man. Maybe it'll just be us three forever, but that's fine. I do eventually would like to get some subscribers, but I haven't made an actual straight up video that isn't a live stream yet, except for my intro, which took me hours, and that was really just me practicing editing, because I'm not an editor. I've always had other people to do that whenever I was doing projects. There's always somebody that knew how to edit, and now I have to figure it out. My girlfriend's got the skills, but she's not into helping me, apparently. So, that's okay. That's okay. If any money comes in, I'll just go ahead and keep it all. Oh, SYPR came back. That went to the 4s for a minute. Volume crazy. NASDAQ. Triteris moves up by more than 3%. Hell yeah. Is Triteris actually in the money? So here's the funny thing. So I sold off some Triteris. My average is at 752. It's at 755 and 756. Now explain to me why it says I'm down $188. There was some good news on Nokia this morning. Was there? The price could have fooled me. Oh, it's barcoding. You know, as soon as it's barcoding, somebody's got their algorithm set on that. Yeah, you know, I have to turn off the alerts for stocks that I sold because I'm seeing things for Vail over and over. I haven't had that thing in a week or longer. Thinkorswim just logged me out. And it's not taking my fingerprint anymore. I don't know what the hell's going on. Apple, you're letting me down. I've loved your stuff for a long time. I got an iPad, an iPhone, and an iWatch all right in front of me, and it's starting to let me down. Somebody was saying Bitcoin was taking a crap. It's still at 49.5. I don't know what the hell they're talking about. Now, a really cool, if you trade crypto and you don't want to get wrecked, it might be in my morning trading now because this was going to be all this stuff. I was literally going to open all this crap for my videos, and then I realized that that'd be like 6 hours. Significant trades. So if you want significant trades, it's aggr.trade. I think there was a hashtag there before that. There used to be a hashtag, but that one doesn't seem to work anymore. Oh, let me check it out. See what happens. Oh, I don't know. I guess it doesn't. I guess it's the same site. Whatever. Still holding strong. So no dump on Bitcoin like everybody was screaming about. I don't know what the hell they were talking about. Let me get rid of this. Stock twits, AMC, 2600. I said real time. I want real time. If you never take risks, you will spend your life working for someone who does. Straight up. Straight up. You can wait for it to become responsive or exit the page. Just exit. What does that mean? Is my internet crapping? My stream is healthy. So I know if my stream is healthy, it sounds like when you're peeing. I know if my stream is healthy that my internet is usually fine. Stock. Look at everything that has to do with stock. Twits. Is it the largest community? It might be. Let me just take a look. AMC dumping down to 780. Still holding strong. I think we're coming back. You know where rotation. This is the app I use. It pumps straight to my watch. They also have an online one. I paid for both of them, even though I am staunchly against paying for somebody that has a website and an app and then makes you pay separately. The app I want because it pushes to my phone. This doesn't push to my phone, even if I go on Safari or any of that on my phone. So, but I thought it was really cool, and it has a lot more stuff to it. It should be on an app, and it should be all in one. Let me just call out Mometic right now. You shouldn't be charging separately for your app and for your website. So, you know, honestly, maybe this is burning a bridge or whatever, but you shouldn't charge separately. Honestly, get your crap together. Put it all in one. If you want to make it a little bit more expensive, fine. But I don't want to pay $20 or $10 for the app a month, and then $20 for your service a month, or $10 for your service a month. And you were saying, I emailed them to try to get a code, and they're like, oh, we don't normally do codes. All right, well, like, I do like your service, but something about paying for an app and your website separately, it just pisses me off. I just want you to know that. So maybe I'll get subscribers at one point and that'll matter to you. But until then, make it the same. Don't make me have to pay 2 different bills for the same service. I'm going to grab some coffee real quick. I'll be right back. It looks like I'm gonna have to make some coffee, so I want to try something. I have this song that I really like that I've been playing. I was trying to figure it out yesterday. I would like to. So what I'm gonna do is, I want to make sure this is working right. So just give me a minute. Oh, what's this? I see a question. Josh Jonas. They got selected by Globe Telecom to roll out 5G in the Philippines. Awesome. Listen, I'm heavy into Nokia, so Nokia. I've had probably 20 of their phones back in the day before the iPhone came out. Because I am not young. I'm not old either, but I'm not young. I'm not a millennial or any of that. But good luck to all of you. I hope you all make money. The boomers definitely. I'm not a boomer. I'm like an exennial kind of. I'm almost a millennial. They kind of screwed up everything for us, so I get why you guys are pissed off. I'd be pissed off too, and I am pissed off. Tell you the truth. The way that they let the government run, the markets run, they're just. I don't know. We'll get into that on another day. Let me turn off. I got too much crap going on. Let me get my Bluetooth off. I need to make sure that this works. Okay. Screw that guy. I need to find mine. Looks like we're riding that line right there. All right. So we're. Oh. See how we're riding this right here? This is very. We don't want to break this. We don't want to break this. I'm listening to my own just to see. This is like 30 seconds behind. It really is annoying. I don't know. I guess there's some latency, but there's got to be a way to get less of a. What do you call it? Oh, it's like you can hear me when I listen to myself. You like can hear it through my headphones in the mic. That's something I really don't want to do further. Okay. Let's see. Who do we got? All right, Josh is back. What up, brother? I still want to make coffee. AMC's holding up at 780. So this should turn. We can't stay here too long. Looks like we did it for a minute. We came back to pop. I don't like how low. Yeah. Oh, I just agreed to myself. Oh, I'm a lunatic. Okay, let me... Oh, what is this? All right. I know I'm being quiet right now, but I'm just trying to get my stuff figured out. Let's go a 15-minute on the other one, just to give you the difference. Oh, sorry, I want this on a minute. And I want this on a 15-minute. Oh, it's doing both? Why is it changing both? What's the point of having two separate charts if they're both on the same time frame? So it just gives you a few different... All right. Damn, that thing is so backwards. Okay. All right, so what else is popping? Damn, we broke. We broke. Oh, man. I'm just going to go to a single chart. This thing, it will not go any smaller. All right, whatever. Screw you. Where's Mometic? Let me get Mometic up there. Actually, I can get it right here. Today, please. Let's get the meters off. Damn it. Oh, I'm getting... Everything's lagging all of a sudden. We don't want to see AMC over there. Would you work? All right. There's AMC. All right, so I need to make some coffee. It's already 12:30. I guess the lunch sell-off happened. That's what that was. You know what? That's what that is. That was the lunch sell-off right there. 850 to 770. So all the Wall Street douchebags, not the Wall Street bet guys, the guys on Wall Street. Screw you guys. They're I don't know. There's probably some cool guys, and I actually know some people that work there, so they're cool. But still, the way they do things is shady, and they need to get arrested for that. Yeah, so that's where our sell-off came from. That was our mid-afternoon sell-off. Hopefully we see a bounce. RSI is super oversold. All right, so what I want to do is make some coffee. I want to get some coffee. And I want to throw some music on in the meantime. So I'm going to put it on mute for now. Let's see. Wait, Josh Jonas. I'll be back in a bit. Gotta run and do some stuff. Appreciate you being real and true. One, you take everyone's question is too serious and provide plenty of feedback. Way better than the other streamers. Thank you so much, Josh. I appreciate it, my man. Anytime you have a question, I will answer it. Looks like we got a little bit going on here. I want to pause my... I'm going to go ahead and go on mute and try to get the music going. All right, we're fading out. All right, I'm back. So, let's see. Where are we at? So, it looks like... Oh, man. Let's put Momo back in here. And go back to large. God damn it. We're getting wrecked. We're not getting wrecked. Okay, so as soon as this, let's see, is my stream healthy? Nah, that's funny. Yeah. Just answering. There you go. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. All right. I got the coffee brewing. I'm kind of hungry, to tell you the truth. I have not eaten anything today. Woke up early to get some stuff done. Not in the mood to work this next few days, but that's how you got to do it. Ooh, AMC. We're doing what we've been doing every day. Hopefully we just keep doing it, though, and hopefully we stair step up to here tomorrow, and then it'll sell off to here, and then the next day we stair step to here, and then we sell off to there, and then the next day up to there, and blah, 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 and so on and so forth until we gamma squeeze to 636. I have to find out that fidelity thing. I Googled it, but it didn't work out too well. I couldn't find much on it. This is that sucks. We had a nice move going. I guess we can... Can we draw a trend line, really? I mean, at this point, I guess we can. It's all... Let's see. Well, wonder. Probably not. Yeah, it doesn't. I thought for a second it would make sense. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, so let me start that over there. Let me get this bitch back over here. Alright. Not looking awesome right now, but this has been every day, so not the worst. Let's see. I really like this part better, but with this, usually comes weeds. Now, I wanted it to go sideways and then blast back off, but let's see. Is there any Elliott wave stuff to see? I mean, there is, but... 3 waves, 5 waves, A wave, B wave, wave 1, wave 2. I really got to... And I want to give a shout out to Crypto Hippo. That's where I first started really hearing about it. I mean, I've seen people do it, but nobody was really trying to teach it until he was. But then he blew up, and now he's doing master classes, and he's turned into a full-on brand, and that's cool. That's something I'm never going to be. Like, this is never going to be like the 100%. I mean, maybe. I mean, if I blew up for some reason, that'd be great. I did go to a broadcasting school, the Connecticut School of Broadcasting, so... and I bet a lot of other YouTubers don't have that experience, but they're kicking ass. So if you can kick ass without any training, why not be able to kick ass with some? That being said, I was gonna go. That's funny because I was gonna try the radio, but God, I've been in so many industries. I was in sales. I was in music. I mean, you probably. I did a radio internship for a minute. I was on the air for like, I don't know, a week, but that was during a really rough time. So I left that. I shouldn't have though, because that was pretty cool. But I mean, this is basically the same thing almost. Like it's kind of the same setup, except you're just doing it for yourself. And maybe YouTube eventually pays you. I don't know. I saw that they wanted, like I said, I only did my first live a couple days ago. I haven't done any straight up videos, just live ones. So it's probably going to be more than a minute. Unless there's a gamma squeeze and I can blow up like Brian Young or Trey. But I don't know if I'm on their level. Maybe. I mean, Trey's just a regular dude. He's in the military. I have multiple degrees. I think I can rock with some of the best of them. I think I can rock with some of the best of them with some practice, obviously. Like they have their game. I mean, to the point where I'm a fan and I'm pretty judgmental. So I'm not going to say nothing real negative, like I said, unless I'm jealous. Even though I am jealous of them. But, you know, they're rocking and rolling. They got in at the right time. And then this whole GameStop AMC stuff happened. I know Meet Kevin really blew up last year. Like he was around for a while, but as soon as stimulus came out and he was throwing a stimulus video out every 30 seconds, he's probably doing one right now. He really blew up, and man, there's so much respect for that dude. Just for all those dudes. Just for all those dudes that are just doing their own thing. I still have to go and have a boss and all that other stuff. And I know, Trey does too, but he's like, when you're in the military, I think you got to wait till that runs out. That's not where, you can just roll. So I'm sure as soon as he can, he will, because we don't want that dude getting hurt. I like listening to him. I like watching his stuff. Even though we're in the exact same space, but I know a lot about crypto. I don't know if he does. I don't think he does. But I haven't done anything on crypto because this whole AMC thing's happening. It's like I'm responding around events. I need to eventually. I have so many. I want to make a video since this is just bleeding right now. And hold on, let's see. Let's get a more macroscopic. Let's get a more macroscopic view. Nah, that was a bad impression. Sorry, I didn't mean to show any disrespect on that one. Let's get a longer term. No, because it's AMC, it doesn't really matter. Let's just get a longer term daily. All right, so. Okay, I mean this. Did we go down? I really don't like. I really have to. I'm just going to do a reset on my fibs at some point. For some reason, I like looking at these, but I think it's because it took me so long to set them up. But I'm going to go back to just a regular old fib retracement. It looks like we came back 50%. Where do I really want to start this from? God, everybody's. I guess, where's an established bottom? I'm just going to start it from this line just for the sake of argument. I'm going to erase it in a minute anyway. Right there. So, shit. I mean crap. It passed. I mean, stopped dead on the golden pocket. Those golden pockets, man, they know what's up. Yeah. So we're way over 50%. So we should bang up. All right, whatever. Just get out of here. Garbage. We should bang up. I'm thinking to... Did we see this? I want to see us break daily high today. It's only 12:44 Eastern Standard. Yeah, this is a real bitch right here. It's a real bitch. Let me see if there's anything I can shave off of my account because I have too many plays. Oh, let's see. Obviously, no meme stocks. I can get rid of BNGO. I mean, they're gonna do. I don't think they're just gonna blast off out of nowhere again. I mean, I've bought and sold, rinse and repeat BNGO so many times. Who gave me that one? I think Dead Inside gave me that one. So I gotta give him props. That's where I first heard it. Maybe somebody else talked about it, but that's where I got it. I haven't watched him in a minute. I kind of stopped watching everybody once I started doing it. Like I do. Not everybody, because I was doing like watching like hours of video a day, but now it's just like a couple videos here and there. I should watch them just to learn how to do it right and, you know, check out how they set all their stuff up, because there's so much back end crap. I just don't care about it. Bow, bow, bow. All right, well, we are streaming and nobody is in here right now, but that is okay. I guess it kind of fosters like a mental illness in a way, because I'm kind of talking to nobody, or who knows. All right, let's... TRIT moves up more than... Oh, Triteris. You know, I would like to get out of Triteris, but they have like a $20 price target or $22 price target. Although I saw they got downgraded. Shares of several company and software companies. They have that Kronos app, which is funny because I got a stock named Kronos that has nothing to do with it. High short interest stocks as of Wednesday, but that was the 10th, so that's useless now. Trading lower amid a steep sell-off in the tech sector and as investors await Fed Chair Powell's congressional testimony. So this was yesterday. I don't think this matters. I almost want to go on YouTube and see if anybody else is doing any news. Or maybe I should just check for my own news. I mean, I could do all that crap myself. I've become too reliant on YouTubers. Don't get to that point. I know it helps. They definitely help. But this thing will not go away. Like, you're hearing me click, you're watching it. And it's just not... Is that not a pisser? I guess maybe I got too much crap open, but this is not a crappy computer. It's a little old, a couple years old, but it's still an i7. Whatever. With a terabyte. I mean, that's just stock. I got a 7 terabyte hooked up to that. I got plenty of RAM. I think I got 16 gigs. And this is a laptop. I'm going to get a full-on... That'll probably be my next purchase. But this needs to show some promise. If this channel shows some promise, then I'll go heavy in on some equipment. If it doesn't, then I'll just stick to trading. And it's not like I can't. I've done pretty well. Like, I can buy it, but I need to justify buys, or else you just become a serial consumer. And unless you're, you know, on, like, have enough money that you can have your own show, because you're that much of a baller, then you shouldn't just be spending like that. So if this turns into something that matters, I will do it. Does anybody have any questions? Is anybody here right now? It says 3 concurrent viewers, but every time I check, I just see me. So if anybody is here, say something, drop us a like, a subscribe, whatever. I'm just not used to saying that. It still sounds cheesy. I know you're supposed to do it, like that's how you do it, but it just does, you know, still with this being so new to me. Maybe one day I'll be a veteran, maybe I'll quit, I don't know. I got a feeling that I might make it work because it's kind of natural for me to talk and yap. But I have a lot of opinions, nothing that should be considered financial advice, but I do have a lot of opinions. And I pay for a lot of resources that you don't have to pay for if you're looking at it on my screen, which I shit you not that I definitely have done that with other people. Nothing really worth selling. My account's pretty healthy. I am down 5K. That is not a big deal at the moment. Not that 5K is not a lot of money. It surely as hell is to me. But I think we're just seeing a correction. There's no way. I'll tell you right now. I don't believe that there's any way that AMC has made it this far in the last few days, especially in the last, with what we were all saying in the last month, and then with the actual seeing it go down in the last few days. And I don't mean the price go down, I mean just the plan go down. I believe it's going to go all the way. So I'm really not worried at all. I'm not worried about shaving off a little bit as soon as I'm in, because I was in the black from 10:30 to 11:30. I was in the money. I could have sold out and bought back in here, but I don't want to leave it I don't want to leave any shares out there for a shorter. Now in other plays, do that always. But AMC and GameStop, that's different. We're doing something different. Every other play, when you're in the money, shave some off. Always, always, always. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It says it right there on the screen. Let's see. I want to take a look at... Oh, that's me. Look at that. Wow, that lags a lot. I want to see something real quick. Does anybody have any questions? Is anybody watching? Anybody? As soon as I said it, like the viewer went down. That's so funny. Dun, 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 dun. I love that song. That's a free song to use if you want to download it. I think there's a link in my description. There should be. I put it in my intro and in my stuff that goes up with everything. So this can't be just now because I saw that an hour ago. BRN daily moving up more than 3%. New price 367. BRN's a play that I'm in. I don't remember what it is. I believe it's an oil play. Like I said, I'm in way too many plays. If you can't remember what type of company one of your plays is, you're in too many plays. I only know that because I'm in too many plays. And I can tell you from experience that sometimes I'll look at the ticker and be like, what in the hell am I in? Because sometimes I'll see somebody talk about it. I'll look at the numbers. I'll look at the momentum. I'll look at the market as a whole. And honestly, it should be like 2 hours before you buy a stock after hearing about it. But for me, sometimes I just jump on things too early. Never do that. Sometimes it'll work for you. Sometimes you'll be like AACG. Now, I don't know what your financial situation is, but I am not in any way a rich dude. I don't make that much money. Trading has made me, like, I make more off trading than I do at my job. And I have, a few degrees. But it's still not that much because I'm conservative and I try to be safe. I don't wait for thousands and thousands. If it's green, I sell. The only thing I don't sell is diamond handed stocks, AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia. I got to be honest, I'm going to hold AMC and GameStop until the squeeze. BlackBerry and Nokia, I'm getting the hell out of those as soon as they're in the money. I'll tell you straight up. Oh, am I in the money? No. Because I don't know. Those were 4 stocks I did no DD on, jumped in heavy because of the movement. And I wish it was just AMC and GameStop because like I said, I'll probably end up holding like a few of those for a long time. BlackBerry and Nokia, I just want to make some money off of those. That was about the movement in the beginning, but the movement gave up on them. So I just want to get out of those when I can. Ebon, my man Josh yesterday mentioned that. They're banging it out right now. This isn't... I don't even care about this right now. I'm just going to exit that out. Come on.
Okay. I have to, I have a lot to figure out still. I haven't figured out thumbnails yet. There's actually... There's a couple things I need to do. And you know what? I'm going to put you guys on mute for a minute, and I'm going to go ahead and put this back on the chart. Let's go to the minute. Oh, look at that. Something just happened. What happened? Oh, yeah, whatever. So we're going to keep watching AMC. And I'll be right back.
Okay, guys, I am back. AMC is looking to, let's just go ahead and put this back in here. And go back to AMC. Okay, so AMC is looking for a comeback here. We are in an upward channel. I'm going to end this live stream in a few minutes because, like I said, this is just my third test. I'm actually going to try to put together an actual video, so look for that. Let's just, for the hell of it, see what's up with this. All right, this is actually, I don't like to really draw on these that much. There's so many indicators on this, which I do not recommend. This is just one that I like to play with. I thought it was my other one. Normally I'll go a lot less on something like this, but we're here, so let's go ahead and draw that. Looks like we got I don't have to get them all, I guess. Dow climbs 400 points as rally in recovery plays. Siri, stop it. As rally in recovery plays gain steam. As we have seen time and time again, patience is the key to making profits in the stock market. That's from Stock Alerter. I don't actually pay for that app, but it looks like it has some potential. All right. Do I have a touch there? I do have a touch there. Let me just lower this. That's fine. Some people will draw them just from the very tops without the wicks. I like to start with the wicks. This I would like to be a little bit cleaner, but I'm really just counting this, and this is a touch point. Kind of. I'm not really counting that as a third. But it's a nice upward movement. Keep building solid bases. Fighting with the 0.786. We got some resistance up here, and we got some resistance right where we're at right now. A few cents up at 787. So let's see. I mean, go AMC, diamond hands. Like I said, I'm going to put this live stream to rest. This was just another test. And to get me a little bit more used to this, which I definitely need more practice at. But that's fine. We are rocking and rolling. We're in a bullish formation right now. Let's just keep that moving. This was probably some sort of bullish wedge, but I'm not... actually, no. No, not really. That was a dead fall. That was profit taking and some shorts. But we are back on a steady rise. We just want to keep moving. We want to break over 8, and we want to stay over 8 for the day. A lot of options are expiring on Friday. I think between 6 and 6:50. So let's keep it up. Let's just keep moving. There is no limit. I mean, I just want to keep going and going and going. Let's try to break 870.
I think our recent high is what, 850, 848. That's where we turned and had a little bit of a fade. I bet you, I know there's a lot of lines on here. I'm going to get rid of some of them soon, but I'll bet you that this matters later. I'm just going to do it right now just because there's 2 consecutive touch points. Yep, I'm going to leave that right there. I bet that matters. So let's see if we could ride that up. Once again, I'm going to end this right here. I am Night Trader, Bobby Knight. I'm happy if you saw a little bit of this. I'm happy if you saw a lot of it. I'm going to be doing some videos. Hopefully I'll have some of those out soon. And that's all for now. I'm still getting all of my social media stuff set up. This was kind of off the cuff when I started this a couple days ago. But we're going to rock and roll with it because it seems it's fun. It's just fun. That's really it. So whether it works or not, that's fine because it is fun. And I am sitting here doing this anyway. So what's the difference if it's being recorded or not? So that's all for now. I'm going to try to play my intro or my outro on the way out. But I'm still learning how to do this, so maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Either way, have a good trading day. Hold AMC with diamond hands. And that's it. I'm out. Peace.